Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to set up Webhook inside Salesmate. So Salesmate is a customer relationship management, that is CRM tool that helps businesses manage their sales processes more efficiently. It's like a personal assistant for your sales team, keeping track of customer interactions, sales deals, and follow-ups. People use Salesmate because it streamlines their workflow, making it easier to manage leads, automate repetitive tasks, and close deals faster. It also provides insightful analytics and reports, helping businesses make informed decisions. With features like email tracking, contact management, and pipeline management, Salesmate is a go-to solution for anyone looking to boost their sales productivity and build stronger customer relationships. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can connect your Salesmate account with Pabbly Connect in order to send your information from one application to another application. So here to set up this connection, we are going to use a type of integration that is Webhook. So Webhook is going to act as a bridge between your Salesmate account and Pabbly Connect in order to send the information from Salesmate to Pabbly Connect on a specific event. Also, you can say that Webhook are like instant messengers for apps. So here now let me tell you that I have created a lead form for Salesmate, and here on my screen you can see the form which I have created with the fields as first name, last name, email and cell phone. So here in this case I want whenever I receive a new form submission through this form, automatically the response of that form should be captured in Pabbly Connect, and also with the same response a new contact should be created in my Salesmate account. So here I'm going to show you step by step how to set up this entire connection, and after setting up this connection you can automatically transfer that data from Salesmate to any other application as per your need. So here before moving forward with the connection, here on my screen you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our process by simply setting up a trigger step. And here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as Salesmate. And here in my trigger event, I'm going to select my event as new contact. But you can select a specific event such as deal updated, new activity, new company, new deal, contact created or updated. So here I'm going to select my desired trigger event, that is new contact, so that whenever a new contact is created in my Salesmate account, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response over here. And here you can see I have received a Webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this Webhook URL to connect my Salesmate account with Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to follow the instructions given below. Firstly, I'm going to copy this Webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Salesmate account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon given on the top right corner, and from here I'm going to click on this setup, and under setup I'm going to select automation. And here under automation in workflow management, you can see the workflows which I have created with the name rule 1 and testing. So firstly I'm going to close them, and now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this new rule button given over here. And here it is asking for basic information. So for that I'm going to select my module as contact, because in my workflow I've selected my trigger event as new contact. So here I'm going to select contact, and here for the rule name I'm going to give the name as new contact only. And after that, this description is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank, and now I'm going to click on this next. And now here it is asking me for execute on. So here for my execution event I'm going to select create, so that whenever a new contact is created, automatically that response should be sent to that Webhook URL. But here you can select the execution as per your need. And now I'm going to click on this next. And now here it is asking me for a rule criteria. That means here I can add conditions such as AND condition or a OR condition to run my workflow accordingly. But here I'm not going to add any rule criteria, but if you want then you can do it as per your need. And now I'm going to click on this next. And here for the fourth step, it is asking for actions. So here in my actions, I'm going to select call webhooks, and here I'm going to click on this add button given over here. And here in this call webhooks, you can see it is asking me for a name. So here I'm going to give the name again as new contact. And then here for the method, I'm going to select post, so that after creating a new contact, automatically the response should be sent to the webhook. And here you can see it is asking me for URL to notify. So here I'm going to enter the webhook URL that we have received in our Pabbly's window. So this is the webhook URL. And now here, after adding the webhook URL, here I'm going to click on this body given over here. And from here I'm going to select form data, and then here it is asking me for a key and value. So here for this key and value, let me take you to my lead form which I've created for Salesmate. And here in my lead form, you can see my keys such as first name, last name, email and cell phone. That means here I'm going to set the key values as per these fields, so that whenever this form is submitted, automatically Pabbly Connect should receive all the information. So for that, let me take you back to my webhook setup, and here I'm going to search for my first value, that is first name. So I'm going to search for the first name. Here I'm going to select this value, and here for the key, I'm going to give the key name for this value so that I can receive the response as per that key. So here I'm going to give the key name as first name. And then here I'm going to click on this add option given over here to add new key and values. So here in this value, I'm going to search for the last name. Here I'm going to give the key as last name only. Again, I'm going to click on this add option given over here. And this time I'm going to search for the email. So this is the email, key as email only. Again, I'm going to click on this add. And lastly, here I'm going to add the value as cell phone. And here I'm going to enter the key as phone number. So here I've successfully added all the keys and the values. And now I'm going to click on the save given over here. And after that, here I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we have successfully set up a webhook URL, and here you can see the workflow name which we have created with the name new contact. So moving back to Pabbly's window, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test response using a form. So for that, let me take you back to my form. And here I'm going to enter dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as lead, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com, and here I'm going to enter some random phone number. And then I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see thanks for submitting the form. That means we have successfully submitted the form over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's window to check whether we have received a response over there or not. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the phone number, last name, first name and email. So with this, we have successfully set up the webhook inside Salesmate. Okay, so once you have set up the connection between your Salesmate and Pabbly Connect for a specific event, that is new contact, then whenever a new contact is created using the lead form which you have created in your Salesmate account, automatically Pabbly Connect will receive a response over here. And after receiving the response in Pabbly Connect, you can send this response to any other application as per your need. And here in this workflow, you can add multiple action steps with different action application in order to build an automation between different applications in one go. Okay, so these were the steps to how to set up a webhook inside Salesmate. I hope these steps were clear to you. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.